Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video for Avalanche cryptocurrency for 22nd of December 2023, aiming to discover what's going on as usually on a rational side with this cryptocurrency, which is actually in a delayed type of activity from the past moving into an advanced scenario of the price prediction and as well the price representation moving very aggressively in comparison with the other cryptos. $1.8 billion volume in the past 24 hours. As well, we are speaking about Solana as well, which is moving on $4.4 billion, guys. The altcoin market is heavily increasing its movements, and it's just a question of time until we're going to see Solana breaking the volume of Ethereum, which is sitting above $10 billion. Now, this whole video is most likely dedicated for Avalanche cryptocurrency, and we're going to dive into the charts. Not before, for those of you that are interested, make sure to follow me on my YouTube channel. We have all sorts of videos, including how do I day trade and presentations and stuff like that. I mean, you can sort of participate in my trades as well if you think that's something that you could consider. We have a trade here on the BTC long 25x leverage, 45 bitcoins, $85,000. We did open this trade up and it is running quite well. We are using our ChatGPT bot trading to help us perform with the research, with the technicals as well. So if you'd like to participate, this is my trading spreadsheet. Option number one is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made. So it's based on performance. Then we are proceeding and trading for you through API trading permission. It's quite simple. There's also the option number two, which is with signals delivered to you, but that has a monthly fixed fee. Now, we also have the coaching program for anyone interested in the topic and like to become serious about crypto trading. Make sure to check this one till the end of the video. What's going on with Avalanche, folks? It's the daily candle. We just broke out of the structure. This is something amazing. As BTC is about to do it, Solana just has been doing it, and we are following, as usually, what Solana is performing on the markets. All the other cryptocurrencies along the way with the BTC used to do it. One thing that I like to portray is how does divergences are not functioning in trending markets. Divergences do function in ranging markets, but they do not function in trending markets. So we have on the CRSI indicator, let me just take that in a proper way. CRSI making a lower high on the tops, right? So making a lower high, and you have the price representation forming a higher high. This is called divergence. And it's most likely telling us that the buying pressure that has been pumping the markets upwards is not consisting a bigger force and energy than the past top, which is most likely showing a lack of trust, confidence of traders, and therefore a short is about to be triggered, a short is about to happen, and a markdown in the price section. This is the traditional way to call out the things. Now, number one element is that we are not in a ranging market. We are not in a structure which is going sideways of accumulation, deviation, or any type of lack of volume movements. That being said, we've been nicely supported straight afterwards. By the way, the 20 days moving average has been gaining momentum, pushing the markets quite aggressively in the zigzag plays. We're expecting the 1.618 area, which is very strong, down towards the 1.272. So we were dealing with these three extensions of the Fibonacci, which are all great and fine. Now the next target will be the $50 right there, which should be achieved by the end of the year. It's not a big deal from here to get over there. I mean, it's just about 9%, and we're actually looking forward to having a perspective towards levels of 2.272 to 2.414, $56, $58. Difficulty around 60s, but I will still go for those up to 62, guys. However, percentage-wise, this is not going to be an easy deal. 20% out there the first one, 27 out there the second one, and 37 until the third one. Now, that being said, we're actually looking at the CRSI right now because divergence could appear in this moment, which means that if the price action is pushing right now, forming a higher high, which is exactly what happens, we just broke out today, we might get stuck at, 2 Fibonacci extension, which is on the 50s price action, and this is going to form a lower high on the CRSI indicator, which is most likely telling us if we close below we had the top basically on 94 index, right? So we're right now on 79. If we close below 94, it is a problem. due to the fact that you have another bearish pattern playing out, and a double bearish patterns appearing on the daily like that could trigger a much stronger selling pressure on board. So after a such increase that we have been going through from the beginning of the rally, it's 419% in 64 days. I mean, that's the reality, guys. This is huge. We also printed 151% in 33 days, but then things have moved it into a much more accelerated phase, 122% in 24 days. This is exactly what we were talking about. Another very important thing to keep in mind is we are not supposed to lose at any means the $30 level whatsoever in 2023. So there's just about 10 days left out of this year, and we're not supposed to lose that at all, guys. $30 is right here, far away from us. We're actually going in the other direction aggressively and very well. And a retracement from there of 36%, we're actually touched the $30 level. The main goal for me is obviously to get to the 50s, but at the same time, if you have some external inputs, if you have some bearishness triggered, $30 cannot be lost. If $30 is lost, then it is an issue, guys. I want you to look at this. Right? I want you to look at that. It's not the same scenario. We're no longer in the accumulation stage or late bear market. We're no longer in those environments, but still, you don't want to sleep around the markets for the next 3 months and have no activity, because this is how people have been liquidated, lost their confidence, and they are stepping on the side, right? If the markets are closing below 30, it's going to be a massive rejection for Avalanche, which is extremely less likely and not to happen. Now that's the important level. It's great that we're far away from it, and that's how you need to consider it. Once again, guys, for those of you that would like to participate in my trades, feel free to reach out. We have our ChatGPT bot trading performing. It's fine, based on no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made. Quite simple and straightforward on the topic. Reach out to me, complete the 4, contact me and join on board. Have a quick conversation, especially about the one-on-one coaching program. For those of you that are serious about this space of crypto, you are tired of losing money, you are tired of participating in bull markets and not reach a financial freedom at the level you're expecting, then you need to improve your education and skills around the topic, which means I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. For a detailed explanation, make sure to watch the video in order to understand how does it work. As well, qualify for a free conversation with me and check around the page. We have a lot of the videos in the way I'm performing and dealing with the numbers. Have a good time, folks. We talk to you soon.